everyone, this is Subhashri and welcome to my channel. My today's recipe is a very traditional Bengali sweet, Gujiya Sandesh. I will show you how you can make this sweet in 10 minutes using very basic ingredients. So please do try the recipe this way and let me know how it works out for you. My channel all about easy to follow, easy to implement, ingredients always displayed on the right and highlighted for each cooking step. If you like my channel, please do not forget to subscribe, share and like. So come, follow along and cook with me. Here I have taken 2 tablespoons of ghee. Now to this I will add half a cup of milk or 125 ml. And then keeping the flame at low, we will mix the milk well with the ghee. I have mixed the milk well with the ghee. Now we will add milk powder. Here I have taken 1.5 cups or 150 grams of milk powder. We will not add all of the milk powder at once, so add it in increments and continue to mix it well so that no lumps are formed. I have added all of the milk powder and mixed everything well together. Now we will add powdered sugar. Here I have taken 75 grams of powdered sugar. You can use a mixer grinder to grind regular sugar to make powdered sugar. And also add half teaspoon of cardamom powder. If you don't like the flavor of cardamom, then you can skip that. And again at a medium flame, mix all of this well together. As you can see, the sugar has melted and our mixture has slightly liquefied. So at a medium to a medium low flame, we will continue to stir it till the mixture thickens up. As you can see, the mixture has really thickened up. It is sticking together and also separating out from the pan. So our mixture for Gujiya Sandesh is completely ready. Now we will transfer this into a separate container. I have transferred the Gujiya Sandesh mixture into a separate container. We are not going to cool this down completely. Just bring this down to a temperature where it is warm to touch and we can make the gujiyas from it. Now our Gujiya Sandesh mixture is ready. It is still warm to touch and we can make gujiyas from it. I have greased my hands with some ghee. Take a little bit of the dough like this way, and first we will make this into a round ball in a way I'm doing here. You can see here. Now we will make this into slightly long elongated shape like this way, and then press at the middle and then bring both of the ends together like this way, and then our gujiya is ready. I'll make another one and show it to you. So in a similar way, I'm first circling this and making it into a round ball, and then in a more long shape, and then again in the middle, and then hold the edges together, and here is our gujiya. Our Gujiya Sandesh is now completely ready. It's a really easy recipe, gets ready in 10 minutes. You can store it in airtight containers and enjoy it for 2 weeks. So please do try the recipe this way and let me know, and thank you so very much for watching my channel.